Hi guys, JD Cap 26 here. Just do tips and pairs and hobbies, and we've got last of the light sensors, and that's a KC020 RGB LED from Bamboo Lab. You can get them on Amazon too. So what we want to do here is we want to open this up and take that little piece of paper out in there. Let's just try to get it out of there. Like that, take it out like that, see? And screw it back on. All the way down tight, it's on. Loosen it, it's off. So I decided not to put it like this, but like this. So we got some E6000. It's like goop, same difference, but I get the little containers because I don't use a lot of this stuff. I should get actually a bigger container. I'm going to put a dot on the bottom of the LED here. I'm going to stick it right in the center like that. Okay. And then with it on, it'll look like that. And it'll keep changing colors. You don't glue it to the base. You could if you want, but I'm going to turn this off for now. Let's see. Like that. And we're going to let it dry. Okay, so that's your video for today. I hope you're enjoying my channel. Please rate, subscribe, give the thumbs up. Much appreciated. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.